we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, I have not filmed a pond video in a long time, but what we are going to be doing today, doing a waterfall. So I just hooked up an aerator, and it's all over the place because it goes all over. But then that goes up in there, that goes over into this crazy mess of a power strip and cords all over the place. Go out here, there's the pump, and there's the pipe that goes out right now. So what I need to do is I just rode my 1930s bike over to Ace Hardware and got two fittings, and the first one's going to go right here to get a 3-inch pipe up to here, and then I'm going to run it 2-inch up and over and down. But first, well, I guess I should say first we got to wash it, wash all the rocks. I'm still not sure how I'm going to totally do it. I'm thinking of having a bucket down here to collect all the water so it doesn't go in the pond, because it is really rocky, soily, gross water. Go. We're lifting her up. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to wipe this down, because yeah, there's water all the way up, so I better get those burrs out of there. Wow, that is pretty gross. I'm gonna get the burrs out just so it doesn't catch anything, you know. So, none of this algae stuff really matters, but I do want to kind of get it out just because it does not need to be in there. Don't even want to know what the other pipe looks like. That must be disgusting. Oh my gosh, crap. Get a freaking hammer. Wow. Turn it. Okay, that should be good. Alright, that did not go too great, but it should be good. That's got it almost turned totally up. Well, that should actually be good right there. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get the new cans and dump these in the old ones because these are super low and that dried way too quick. Well, I just sliced both of my fingers. Ouch! Man, that hurts. Oh! Alright, we are going here. Gotta go fast this time because last time really sucked. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it around. There we go. Oh crap! Oh crap! Well, don't get that crap in a cut. Or anywhere. I just spilled it all over me. Alright, so I just cut this piece. And I'm gonna try to fit this on somehow. I wonder if I could get another 90. But the thing is, I don't have another one. I don't want to go back to the store, so. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go from a 3-inch to a 2-inch, back to a 3-inch coupling, then out to a 3-inch, what is that, a 60 degree or a 40 or something. To right here, so let's cut about 1 inch off. We're doing it. It might be a little early, but let's see, what time is it?
Wait, are we filming right now?
Oh, it's 3:13. It's been
Is this going on YouTube?
a little over 2 hours, yeah.
Oh.
Been a little over 2 hours. And
I remember when we were first building this.
here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
There's no one!
No way, that is amazing! Holy crap! Wow! Wow!
We did! Wait, there's mud in it!
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of mud. I'm gonna get my shoes soaked. Down, get down, 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 down.
Woo!
Man, that is fast too! First water ever going in the pond. Gonna make it a muddy mess, but that is amazing. I love this thing.
Wait, we gotta check if the water's getting out.
Yeah, we better do that.
Alright, you check that side, I'll check this side.
Can't tell what that is. Don't think that's anything. If it is, I'm not gonna be very excited.
Alright, we got a little bit of water coming out right here, but I think that's part of the pond. All the water's gonna go up there. And we have that.
Look at that.
Lexi, no!
I don't see any drip down water from
Me
the
either.
waterfall. Well, that's good.
Hey,
And it's not
look.
going over there.
Lexi, hi.
Which is good, because I didn't want it to anyway. It's so
Yeah.
perfect. That is so cool. That is so cool!
What? Look at that new. Dude, stop. Gosh.
Oh my gosh!
There's no one!
No way! That is amazing! Holy crap! Wow! Wow!
We did! Wait, there's mud in it!
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of mud. I'm gonna get my shoes soaked. Down, get down, 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 down.
Woo!
Man, that is fast too! First water ever going in the pond. Gonna make it a muddy mess, but that is amazing. I love this thing.
Wait, we gotta check if the water's getting out.
Yeah, we better do that.
Alright, you check that side, I'll check this side.
Can't tell what that is. Don't think that's anything. If it is, I'm not gonna be very excited.
Alright, we got a little bit of water coming out right here, but I think that's part of the pond. All the water's gonna go up there. And we have that.
Look at that.
Lexi, no!
I don't see any drip down water from
Me
the
either.
waterfall. Well, that's good.
Hey,
And it's not
look.
going over there.
Lexi, hi.
Which is good, because I didn't want it to anyway. It's so
Yeah.
perfect. That is so cool. That is so cool!
What? Look at that new. Dude, stop. Gosh.
Okay, whatever. You're just gonna stay up there. You're just gonna get your paws wet. And...
Oh my god! It's moving so fast.
I couldn't end it off like that, and holy cow, it is freezing out here. We had to cover all the plants up last night because it's supposed to frost, so we covered them all up, but we have two grasses here, and then we got a little bush and a couple lilies and hostas, and then that little odd pine tree. And there's the waterfall again. And I rocked everything in, so it's all nice here. And then I got 3 trees inside that we're gonna plant right here. And then we got some more bushes over here. Oh, let me get out of the way. So we got another little bush, a little hosta, another little hosta, and then another 3 of these bushes. And I'll show those at a later date, but right now I don't really want to take it off because it's still like 30 degrees outside. And it is freezing! Oh, it's supposed to be spring, not middle of winter. But anyways, so that's the pond, and we had 1 leak. What are you doing out? We had 1 leak, but I fixed it. It was just leaking out the side, and it was a pretty easy fix. I just had to reroute some rocks and stuff. But that's the only leak that I've noticed so far, so hopefully we don't get any more leaks. But yeah, so thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.